Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll start by locating where clipping happens so you can fix it precisely. Play the section and watch the channel meters. Once you see red peaks, stop and isolate that track. Make sure to check input level and bus routing because clipping often comes from pre-fader gain or a plugin pushing past 0 dB. If a plugin is to blame, bypass it to confirm. Knowing the source lets you choose whether to reduce gain, add a limiter, or adjust plugin settings. Now you'll apply corrective actions to stop the digital clipping while preserving tone. First, reduce the trim or fader by 3/6 dB and listen. Lowering the source gain is safer than squashing with a limiter. Then use Logic's gain/utility for fine adjustment, and only add a limiter when you need transparent ceiling control. If the peaks are discrete, draw clip gain or normalize the file offline so you fix the waveform itself. Make changes. Finish by confirming the entire mix is clean and export safe. Once done, monitor the master bus and keep peaks under -0. 5 dBFS to avoid intersample clipping when rendering. If you still hear distortion, make sure to bypass or replace any suspect plugins and re-render the affected track to a new audio file. Finally, bounce stems and audition them on headphones, monitors, and a phone to ensure the clipping is truly gone. If problems persist, recheck routing and offline render the source track.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.